What's up? This is Andy Vraska, and you're watching The Fox Den.
Hey, what's up? You're in the Fox Den, episode 5. I'm your host, Tim Fox. Next to me is Robbie Cruz.
This week's episode is titled It's Raining Out. We've had horrible weather out here in Southern California, so today we're taking it inside and cruising in the garage. Show you guys some control and real good board maneuvers.
Yes. And talking about board maneuvers and control, we got our new Axis team member, Andy. We're going to show a sweet segment of him riding that will come in a little bit. And we also have Hector David and Cody Lindley with some sweet footage coming our way. So,
but first, let me try something I found out on YouTube the other day. Ready?
Okay. Dude, how the hell did you do that? That's crazy.
Yeah, you know, just a little bit of practice, a little bit of YouTube know-how.
Kind of feels like I'm in one of those like samurai videos.
Oh yeah? Watch this. Talking about samurai, huh?
Alright, man. Let's get to the regular episode. Bring us back, man.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Well, why don't we play a little jam and get right to our indoor session, and you guys can have a great time watching Fox Den, episode 5.
Keep going. Bax, drop us a beat.
But it's poisonous. Now I know for sure that I broke your trust. If you didn't want to know, then you shouldn't have asked. That's the price you pay for taking a trash.
Alright, as you can see, caster boards can be ridden absolutely anywhere. I would like to welcome Andy. the newest member of the Axis Cashboarding team. He's a 14-year-old cashboarding prodigy.
Everything he's done has been strictly learned on a caster board. So welcome to the Axis team, and welcome to the world. Let's check him out from his most recent footage.
Hey, what's up? This is Andy Vraska. I'm from Pennsylvania, and I'm 14 years old, and I ride for Axis Cashboarding.
Hello riders and fellow thinkers. I stumbled upon a quote the other day that I'd like to share with you. It states, "Avoid the mainstream, people get lost there." I'm going to break down this quote and give you my interpretation. If you follow the mainstream, you're going to get lost in group thought and lose your individuality. The mainstream media takes control of our free thinking and self-expression by treating us as a herd and feeding us the bullshit. Remember kids, the mainstream is like a magic show. It's all a trick. Now stay true to yourselves and keep on riding.
I think it's time to bring Hector David back from episode 2, a good friend of Axis, and a new friend of Axis, Cody Lindley.
Hey, here we go right now. I'm just gonna turn it down cause I can't be loud. I want you to understand what I gotta say. How I am in LA trying to get paid. Listen to my dreams, listen to my heart. Let me tell you from the finish to the start. So I don't give you all the late ass shit. 407, yeah, that's where I'm at. Yo, hey.
Gotta be honest, you know who it is, and you just know I promise anything I say is gonna be on point. Go ahead, do what you want with your joints, doing your thing, doing your chill. Y'all already know that your boy on his pill. No, he ain't, he's just tripping. Boy, over there is a pistol he be gripping. Everything stinks, everything's changed. You already know that those are later days. Yeah, those are later days.
Much more to come from those guys. I think we're just having an absolutely sick episode right now.
It's been very successful.
Yeah. So it's that time of the show to tip our glass to Hector David, Cody Lindley.
We are the Arsenal.
We are the Arsenal. Supply and demand.
The future of cashboarding and the hybrid sports.
The revolution's getting so big, we're gonna need cue cards soon. Fox 10 is growing to cue cards very soon. Get ready. Keep riding, keep rocking.
Until next time.
Well, that about wraps it up. This is Andy Vraska, and you're watching the Fox 10 episode 5.